नमस्कार। दशानना रावण के पहले भाग में हमने जाना कि रावण, कुंभकर्ण और विभीषण तीनों की कौन कौन सी स्ट्रेंथ है और कौन कौन सी उनकी कमजोरियां है, उनकी ताकत क्या है और इनकी कमजोरी क्या है। और ये दूसरा भाग आपको बताएगा कि ब्रह्मा के द्वारा इनको क्या वरदान दिया जाता है। One day, Kubera came to see his father Visrava and meet his half-brothers and sister. The sight of Puspak Viman made Kaikasi very jealous. She said to her 3 sons, "When you grow up, you must be more successful than your half-brother Kubera. Just look at him. He is ruling our kingdom. The Asuras should have been the true rulers. You all are strong. You must take Lanka Pradesh back from him. And for that, worship Brahma, obtain boons that will help you achieve your mission." So the 3 brothers began praying to Brahma and did so for many years. Finally, the Lord appears before the 3 of them. "I am impressed by your ardent devotion. You may ask me for whatever you want." Ravana said, "Oh Lord, I want immortality." "Child, you know I can't grant you that," said Brahma with a smile. Ravana looked down upon the strength of humans. He believed that they were easily crushed like ants in front of elephant. So he said, "In that case, please bless me so that I do not die at the hands of any god." "So may it be," replied Brahma. Listen carefully. Ravana had no inkling that Lord Vishnu will take an avatar in human form of Rama and be the harbinger of his death. In addition, I give you 2 more boons. In case you lost your one head in a war, you will get another on its place. And also, you can take form of whatever you desire. Ravana thanked the Lord with joined hands. Now Brahma turned towards the mighty Kumbhakarna. When Kumbhakarna had begun praying to Brahma, Indra had requested Saraswati, "O goddess, you can influence the speech of any individual. When Brahma makes his appearance in front of Kumbhakarna, I am afraid that he may ask for my throne or something that will end in my loss of control over the heavens. I request you kindly guide these words appropriately at the right time." Brahma asked Kumbhakarna, what do you desire? Kumbhakarna wanted to ask for Indrasana, the throne of Indra, the king of gods. However, Saraswati used her powers to twist the tongue, and instead of saying Indrasana, Kumbhakarna said, I want Nindrasana, slip. So it may be, blessed Brahma. Kumbhakarna instantly fell on the ground and went to sleep. Finally, it was Vibhishana's turn. When Brahma asked what he sought, Vibhishana said, please bless me to always be steady and never stray from the path of dharma. Irrespective of the circumstances I might find myself in. Brahma was very pleased. Now that is a very unusual request for a boon. You will forever be known as Dharmishta and remembered for your righteousness in the world. The three brothers came back and informed their mother Kaikasi about their respective boons.